equip it. We've got a bullet. Boy, I'm glad I brought that. Oh, it just got real. Okay, like nothing much else up here, and that's fine. Just perfectly fine. No keys. Alright. Okay. Ooh, 34%. I could misfire. Alright, let's see. I'm pretty speedy. Let me pick up all those sticks. Let's get out of here. Take somewhere over there. Oh!
I don't feel so good.
Just ran off a goddamn cliff. Okay, wolves over there. There's a bridge. There's a little thing over there. There's a water tower. Good. Okay, that's where I need to go. Let's get off this. Whew, okay. That's a deer. Goes. Alright, I've been around the playground. I think I have. Go and put that away. Or the old schoolhouse, rather. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, I remember the glasses. I think there might be wolves that direction, so I'm not gonna go check out those birds right now. It is still mostly day, so we're gonna hit these cabins again now that we can mark them. So this could be quick, but you know, you almost guarantee that you missed something if you're in here when it was dark. Although I think this is one that I did. It's pretty. Oh. Oh no, it was empty. Empty. Okay, might as well take the towel. Okay. Okay, hit all those. Empty, 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 empty. Oops. Okay, still nothing, but I'm getting a little tired. We are getting hungry, so let's see. Ooh, 23. Oh, we're okay. Moldy chocolate bar at 28%. I almost... Alright, we're gonna chance it. I really shouldn't do that. Okay, we're not gonna do that anymore. 88, this is 56. Oh, soda's going bad. Go ahead and drink it. Okay. Let's go upstairs. Wasn't there a crib here earlier? I don't know what happened to that. Okay. That's creepy. Just gonna ignore it and leave. Okay. Okay. Go nav X, confirm. Hit that door too. Hmm. I think all those doors are... That one's busted. Alright, and I have got the visors, so that one is toast. Got the visors. Okay, don't want no dogs. Okay, I've been in here too. Empty, empty. That's searched. Empty, toaster. Okay. Pretty thorough. Miss these. Miss nothing. Okay. Kitchen's clear. Radio. Nope. Okay. Got your water. And nothing special. Okay. This house is clear. Wait a minute. I like how that fills in the map. I didn't know it did that. Okay. Let's go check the post office again. It was pretty dark in some of these areas. Oh yeah, I didn't see any of these post office boxes, but you can't open them. Bunch of crap. There was nothing on the corpse. This is bogus. I searched that trash. Yeah, hey. I will be able to remember. Post office is looted. Okay, and that door. Credit union's been looted. Oh, there he is. Saw his back. Just over that second snow ridge there he is poking out again. We don't wanna mess with those. Alright now. Let's see, it's not that late, but it's been a big day. And I don't know if I have any more rifle ammo. Let's see, I guess it would be... Aha. Great. Now I actually have bullets. I need a gun cleaning kit though, because this revolver's kind of shit. Okay, that's, whew, it feels so much better, you know, to have the gun. Alright, fire starting stuff, we can ditch some of those, like that many. All those can go. We'll keep the good book on us. All that stuff stays. Alright, let's go. Flare pistol back, lantern fuel back, lantern fuel. Those, let's keep that, and total backpack, we're about half full. Okay, I guess that's alright. Now, alright, we've got, let's see, Town of Milton, and there's the church, which we've been to. Well, that's north. Well, let's go get these crow feathers. Maybe kill a couple of these wolves. Okay, there's that one. Making the scared sounds. Oh, it's not cold out here at all. I gotta watch my tired meter though. Oh, you want a piece? Oh, you two gonna be brave? Do it. Don't make me do it. I kept that fucking dog. How am I doing? Fine. That dog hurting over there. There's a little carcass. Oh, it's the frozen wolf carcass. Right? Yeah. There's a feather. And there's a feather. And any other feathers? No. Okay, so there's 3 wolves. I'm actually getting warmer now. It's awesome. Alright, we need a hatchet. What is this thing? Makes no sense. Alright. Picking up sticks. Alright, that way was the church. Haven't been in this truck yet. Nothing. Don't make me fucking do it. Just kill a deer. I heard a deer go down over here. No? That's a log. Alright, how much time do we have? We got time. Let's see what this farmstead is out here. That's just a bolt for the bridge. Alright, looks like we have a couple, 2 sheds, something in the back, and a building, just some sheds and a silo. Good place to find an axe. Nope. 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 I got another corpse. We're gonna be a human or woman. Ooh.
Could end up being useful.
It could. There we go. Take the crow feather. Nothing back here. Sucks. See if we can pick up a couple more feathers. Is there a rabbit? No. It's the shadow of the crows. See more feathers. Birch bark? Guess here's a birch tree. Alright. We don't want to spend too much time out here. Let's take a quick peek though. Alright. Nothing too crazy. I hurt her leg again. Let's just take a second here to survey the area. How much time does that take? Really? It's not going to mark either of those, any of these buildings. Was that a house with a chimney? Holy shit. Oh, I hope it's in good shape. Paradise Meadows Farm. Sounds very nice. Got a fence, a tractor, whatever this is. Just call it a generator. We got a workbench. Ah, we can make arrows and such. Come on, tools.
What have we here?
Okay. Alright, we got a fireplace. Some reclaimed wood. This is a giant gear. It's like a machine shop. Something. Crude leather. I don't have any of that. Oh, I see you motherfuckers out there. Here, just keep on moving. Got 9 bullets. Jerry can. Carter Hydro Energy, huh? Okay, there's the house. There's those shithead wolves. Got some rabbits over there too. Let's see, 1, 2. Oh yeah, this house looks nice. I mean, boarded up windows don't look great, but aside from that... Oh, you son of a gun. You... Remember? Oh my god, I'm so bad. Oh, I'm gonna be hurt. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, you fucker.
Gotta stop that blood loss.
Get the shot off. Shit. Paradise Valley farm key? In the truck, maybe?
Feels like something is sapping my energy.
Jerky? Nope. Nope, nope. Shit. This fucking farm key. Sure, a wolf die? I think I did. You leave a note, you assholes. Alright, we gotta get back. Health is low. We're tired. Alright, we'll check this. Farm key. Oh, shit. And a knife. Hot damn. Okay, well. We're a little hurt. But we're in decent shape. Alright. Sprain risk, we're okay. Intestinal parasites, don't care about that. Can wound the result in infection if left untreated. We're gonna need to treat that. Do I have what I need to treat that? This place is a mess. Okay, I guess got some stuff. Nothing in it. Oh.
That'll come in handy.
Oh, some cloth. That's great. Yeah. Alright, alright. Well, we're going to... I guess we're gonna loot up. We're gonna... just take everything and probably clean this house up a bit, because...
Hope nobody needs this anymore.
It's pretty messy, and everything we catch at this house, we're going to 15 minutes, yeah, sure. I should have done it because it was in this room where there's going to be the fire, so. Oh! No gun. Alright, let's keep searching the house while we still got light. Books. I'm not burning these. I mean, for survival. Alright. Plenty of toilet water in there, I'm sure. Alright, what do we need? Antibiotic, really, is what we need. Bandage. How much water's in there? 1.7, that's good. Okay. Stack of papers,
Might have to
book,
drop some gear.
books. Oh, each individual file cabinet. Who has empty filing cabinets? Unheard of. Huh, okay. Check all your papers and books. And trash cans. Nothing. Oh, I see you down there, metal container with nothing in it. I guess antibiotics. Gun cleaning kit, sure. Ooh, another useful book. So, blender down there?
I can always use more food.
Chips? Hey, we're living large. Oh, we're super tired though. Oh, and I didn't bring my bedroll. Too bad there's, I mean, not too bad, but good thing there's, yeah. Let's, wait. Oh, shit. Alright. Let's take,
Surrounded by snow.
take the
Nothing to
water.
drink.
Because we're thirsty. Yeah. Alright, food-wise, everything's not bad. But nothing's real good. Okay, so I'm going to pretty much... Yeah, this place is going to be pretty much roasted by the time I spend a day here. Let's see. Alright, so we're just going to... Well... No, let's push the tired meter a bit. Okay. And backpack. It's infection risk. Is it going up? It is going up. Okay. Treat with antibiotic or that. Oh no. Oh wait, I have antibiotic. What am I doing? Use. Taking the antibiotic.
Damn it.
Nothing. That treatment did not do anything. That treatment did not do anything. Okay, so what? Why did I just use those two antibiotics? Alright, we don't want the birch bark. We'll use the matches, start the fire. I definitely passed some of that old man's beard.
Come on. All right.
Question is there enough? Alright, we're gonna go look for... Wait a minute. What's my total weight? 36? What am I carrying a ton of? Drop all that. Drop all those. Okay. Can drop that. I'm using that torch. Drop that. We can drop that. We can drop that. We should be a lot lighter. 15. Alright. Old man's beard. Is that some right up there? It is. Shit. Alright, we grabbed some. I don't know what we gotta do with it. I'm sure they're gonna have to prepare it into something. Shouldn't be a problem because we have. Let's see. Now let's take the sticks. And let's take the books. Okay, should be fine. Alright, stove, take charcoal, stove, start fire, tinder plug, torch, start fire. That looks like a piece of bread in front of the stove.
Come on. Come on.
Okay.
That did it.
So, add the fuel, which is a book. Add that, doesn't do anything. Okay.
This stuff will come in handy.
Place the cooking pot. Place that. Place the Rishi tea. Select. Okay. Now, not that button. Not this button. Which button is it? This button. Alright, crafting. First aid. Bandage, old man's beard. 3 of them? Shitting me. We gotta take that torch, but man, do we have to pass the time till it's ready. Drink it. What's this do for us? Warms us up. Alright, well we gotta sleep for like just a minute. Okay, fire's out in here. How infected are we? 76. That's too much. Okay, fire's out in here too. We need one more lichen. We know where they're at.
I think I need to lay down.
Yeah. We'll get back to that in just a minute. What you need? Old man's beard. Okay, we see any more out here? Just real quick and easy like. Don't. Ooh. Okay, well. We about hit the dust right there. Oh, there'll be some more over there on that dead tree. Gotta keep a lookout for this stuff because I think it's our only antibiotic. Let's see, this one? Okay. That's good. Infection risk. Yep. Alright, well let's get this on the right hand. Applying antiseptic. Great. Heal infection risk. Okay. Okay. We got it. Woof. Alright, well let's get a good night's sleep here. Oh, 618 Gaming signing off. Thanks again. Like, subscribe. Love to hear you. Till next time, keep on gaming.